Hey y'all, welcome back to the studio. What I have in this here box is an office chair. Take a look. Take a look at what I've been working with. A metal chair. A metal folding chair. It's currently 104. I usually start stream around like 150. So let's see if we can like quickly build. Or should I was considering making the chair on stream. I don't know if that would be like the most weird stream ever. Because what I also have is this like tripod thing that's supposed to hold my iPad for chat. So that I may She's flexible. Oh my gosh, look at her go. What the? Wow, that's like so satisfying to do. Okay, this should actually be like super easy to do, so I might just do this like very quickly right now. This would be nice to have, but also the chair would be nice to have as well. Hopefully we can just quickly do both, and if not, then we're building a chair on stream. So, tripod. Ball thing? Ball thing. I'm assuming this little thing comes off. And then this screws on. Fantastic. And then this. Look at her. Yes. Hopefully it's okay that I like have a case on this. Yeah, it should be. Right? Right? Doesn't fit with my case on. Ow! You bitch! That's quite the bummer. That barely fits. Just so everyone knows. That barely fits, but it fits. Oh good, there's holes so that I was worried that the charging port would be covered. It's not, so that's good. Supernova. Look at this. Fantastic. Okay. That wasted 15 minutes. Okay, maybe at the very least we'll like open up the box and like get things ready. Am I really gonna stream putting together a chair? I guess why not? I don't know. Wait, what? Wait. Huh? What are these for? Why'd they give me white gloves? They want you to put it together with white gloves on. I'm gonna keep these. They're... Why? This is so weird. What are we doing? I don't know. You're overheating. I got sent white gloves. Put together an office chair. Oh, it's all just here? Whoa. I feel like this just isn't that difficult to put together. Oh, maybe it is. I don't know. Oh, and what if I can't like figure it out and then on stream? Just looks silly. A bag of wheels. You haven't died yet. That's good. I don't think I've ever put together an office chair before. So there's that piece, and it's extremely heavy. I, for some reason, think that it would be really funny to put together a chair on stream. So I might just go for it and see what happens. And if it's too embarrassing, I mean, you're watching this in the future, so you already know whether I did it or not. How is this so complicated? It's a chair. Let us come to experience it. Huh? Let us come to experience it. No? There's a how-to guide on how to sit in your chair. There's this, which is, what can we do? About what? I'm not sure. The experts recommend sitting on a ball and practicing your ball balance. You could kneel, or you could zombie walk, or you could dry heave. I'm gonna pick dry heave. I can't get over let us come to experience it. This is a stream topic if I've ever seen one. Hey everyone, guess who's here? Oh, right after I said didn't have to be on camera. Proof that we're okay. I haven't seen you in a long time, so some people were like, where is he? Did something happen? Nope, he's fine. He just works.
Yeah.
We need to tuft the last 2 squares. I'm really sorry that I wasn't able to wait for the 2 of you to be on stream. But I really need to tuft these squares so that we can like cut everything down. So I thought a nice cute little compromise would be that we could just, I'll film them for you and they'll be in a video. Not everybody gets that, so it's a little bit special. What is your interpretation of warm tone circles?
I assumed that would be, I don't know what the background would be, but just like, you know, a yellow circle, an orange circle, a red circle.
Okay.
Something like that.
Okay. Okay, so like a circle, right? It's a great circle. And then like maybe another circle and another circle. What if we do like another circle?
That's too much circle.
First warm tone circle done. I'm gonna do this fuzzy peach. That's awesome. Look at that. Oh wow. Which rug on the frame is your favorite?
I think maybe the ice cream cone.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, what's yours?
The cauldron.
The cauldron is really sick.
Fuzzy peach has been added. Yellow is done.
News out.
A beautiful circle. I almost want to do black, but I don't know. Ta-da!
Nice. I really like that.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Soul juice, ta-da, your square. I hope you like it. I love it. Oh, just stay in there. Just stay. Why? Why? You all have to come out? Oh, teal color faded to white. Green falling out onto the floor. Oh my goodness, Mew. Baby.
She is just a baby.
She is just a baby. I don't even know if I'm pointing at you. Hopefully. We're so close to being done, and you're a bitch. Way to cause a problem right at the finish line. Ah, why don't you calm down? Beautiful!
Wow!
It's
really good.
done. Wowee. Can we even believe it? Woohoo! Hope you like your squares. Okay, everything's fine. Hello everybody. Wow. Okay, I got a label printer. Okay, yeah, I got a label printer, y'all. Wow, what did I say? That was so long. It's almost been 10 minutes of talking to not, like, you're not hearing it. I didn't turn my mic on. Anyway, I've been printing my labels on paper, so I'm very excited. I'm using Pirate Ship because you guys suggested it, and it is really amazing. I finally started using, like, buying their actual labels rather than just using them for, like, seeing the rates and stuff. Anyway, so now I have a shipping label printer. Look how tiny. She lives. I think I just heard it connect to my computer. We've done it. She's tiny. She's precious. And she's gonna be amazing. Hello, everybody. It's the next day. I went from forgetting to turn my mic on at all to leaving it on overnight. If I could get a grip, that'd be so awesome. Yesterday, we cut down all the rugs from the frame. I'm so freaking excited. We also backed one. So, fully backed. And it's this one. Dude, this rug is kind of insane. The, like, really bright green in the smoky part, like, honestly, kind of glows. I'm gonna need to buy more and more and more and more of that yarn and just, like, find reasons to use it. But yeah, so if you are interested in watching the, like, full unedited VODs of these streams, I'm sorry, first of all, that I haven't been, like, super great. I haven't been good at all at uploading these freaking VODs. But I'm going to upload the VOD from yesterday of cutting down these rugs to the VOD channel. I've not used my label printer yet. I still can't get over that I didn't have the mic on for so much of the talking of that. Anyway, I'm trying to think if we should glue the edges. Because, so what I did was I backed it, but we still need to, like, do some hot gluing of the edges. We could probably do that so quick. Everyone say hello to Bob. Okay, so first thing I think I'm gonna do is just kind of cut all the excess off. I love this rug too much. Oh my god. I can't wait to carve it. We're definitely going to be carving it tomorrow on stream. As you're watching this, tomorrow on stream. So if you want to see some live carving, come to stream tomorrow. And I will actually be doing better, like I said a bazillion times in this video. I'll be doing better about uploading the VODs to YouTube. So if you can't make it, don't worry. Alright, I am going to end this video here. I want to edit this video and upload it all on the same day. Thank you all very much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. 3D tufting video coming very soon with the long pile machine. Oh, also, I released my Illytad stickers and the holographic cauldron sticker on my website yesterday. So if you're interested, I'll put the link down in the description. Anyway, I love y'all. Absolute death. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.